The success of Swami Vivekananda at the Parliament of Religions held at Chicago in September 1893 and his tremendous success as a preacher of Vedanta paved the way for the founding of the Ramakrishna Mission in 1897. The twin objective of the Ramakrishna Sangha, as proclaimed by him, Atmano Mokshartham Jagat Hitaya Cha, for one's own salvation and for the good of the world, guides the organization to this day. When Ramakrishna Mutt at Belur was established in 1901, Swami Vivekananda predicted,
the spiritual force emanating from here will permeate the whole world, turning the currents of men's activities and aspirations into new channels. From here will be disseminated ideals harmonizing jnana, bhakti, yoga and karma. We shall make this mutt a great center of harmony. Our Lord is the visible embodiment of the perfect harmony of all ideals.